All-time high si gold, all-time high si silver. And right now, we have a running profit of, guys, almost 15K ang ating running profit from silver, ayan, and gold. So, mostly na mga trades natin, gold talaga. Meron lang tayo dito iniwan na silver, which is meron tayong running na $5,400. This is a skill that I'm talking about. It is a skill that allows you to literally earn even if nasa bahay ka lang, even you're just using your phone, your internet. Sometimes the reason why we are skeptical about these things is because too good to be true siya eh. But you know what, guys? It's so true that to the point it's so hard to understand. That is why you kept on refusing to understand it because it's so hard to understand. It is so expensive to learn. And ang pinakamasaklap pa dito is you will be experiencing a lot of losses, a lot of pain. Not because of other people. You cannot blame anyone but yourself. Eh yun yung pinakamahirap about trading. Na ayaw harapin ng iba. However, guys, pag yun na-overcome mo, I tell you guys, sobrang worth it nito. That is why I'm so eager na talagang makapagpagawa ng magagandang facilities, ng mga training facilities para mabigyan kayo ng better service. Para somehow ganahan kayong, aralin ko kaya 'to para makadagdag sa additional skills sa'kin 'to. What if ito yung information na makapagpabago ng situation ko, 'di ba? Kasi madalas nababasa ko sa Reddit, nagbabasa ako ng mga comments and mga usapan nila sa Reddit about me. And I understand na they're being skeptical, so sketchy daw. That is because you don't understand. If you don't know something, you will definitely doubt it. It is something kasi na never naman tinuro sa'yo. Never mo nakita sa school, sa magulang mo, sa eskwelahan, sa katrabaho. That is why ang sketchy, ang scammy, di ba? And I cannot blame you for being like that kasi I was like that before. When I was working in the banking industry, I used to earn money from my hard work. Kapag pumunta ako sa office, pumasok ako, nag-time in ako, nag-time out ako, ginawa ko yung trabaho ko, then I will be earning the salary I deserve kasi pinagtrabahuan ko yun. That is why yung na-introduce sa akin yung Forex and then I'm earning this much. Parang sobrang mind-blowing yun sa akin na parang, meron bang ganito? Parang hindi eh. Parang siguro one time lang to, swerte lang to, di ba? Pero hindi eh. I've been doing it for like 6 years already. And nakita ko na meron to magandang potential. At hindi lang sa akin to makakatulong sa mga kapwa Pilipino ko. Imagine naman, di mo na kailangan lumabas ng bansa. Just to earn how much? 50K, 100K, 200K? Iiwan mo yung family mo dito? Babalikan mo yung anak mo malalaki na? Eh what if you have this skill? You don't need to leave the country. You can serve our country and our country needs you. Kasi yung mga magagaling natin na mga professional naglalabasan na ng mga bansa. Kasi di enough yung income nila. Eh what if meron kang another source of income na pwede mong pagkakitaan at the same time you're doing the profession that you love. Even though you're not earning enough from your profession, at least you have another source of income na pwede mong pagkakitaan, which is here sa trading, di ba? By knowing the financial market. What if yung mga families na nasisira because of money? Because yung babae is so reliant with the guy. Eh, hindi enough yung kinikita ng guy, ng husband. Eh, what if the wife can only put something on the table? Because she knows how to trade. What if yung mga single moms natin, na right now they're struggling taking care of their kids, most especially yung mga pandemic kids, na medyo delay ang development? What if pwede ka sumideline ng business at the same time mag-trade ka, pero you have more time with your kid? Our time is so precious. So what if we can lessen the time of work and more time for our kids? Will you be grabbing this opportunity to learn this? Or manatili kang skeptical, takot, at ayaw sumubok dahil hindi naiintindihan?